Alright, watch them style you know. Welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. If you're a deadbeat, don't come over here, so this is not your day. If you are a single mother that play mother and father role, don't come over here, so this is not your day. Today is the day for the general them. Today is the day for the real man them. Today is the day for the fathers them. The one them where the youth them can look at and say, Daddy, if that is not you, this is not your video. I'm feeling well alive and well. Shout out to the people who I met while I was down in Jamaica. I've been, we took a little week off and thing, and we went to Jamaica and got recharged and got freshened up and come back feeling good and excited with a lot of content on the way. As a matter of fact, today, we are going live later on today, and yes, it's gonna be all about the Vibes Cartel, something wagwan, big things that. If you don't like it, that's your business. But that's what's taking precedence in the news right now, so we gotta be on top of that right away. And Tuesday is looking like it might be that day. Anyhow, in the meantime though, happy Father's Day to all the real fathers them out there from SouFLoTV. As you know, I take great pride in being a father myself. I believe that our children are God's gift to us, right? And we are charged with a responsibility from the Most High, the Almighty Creator. Nothing else on earth is more precious or takes precedence over your children, over being present in your children's life, over raising them properly, and over being there to guide them. Last night I was just having a discussion with Shakira, with wifey, and me I say, yo, say, this is not really, this is not really a thing where it's a short-term responsibility, parenthood, period. It's a lifelong responsibility, because I just came back from Jamaica and I went to go see my mom. Bring her back some bami and some fried fish and some ackee fresh off of the tree where we clean with self personally and these things, and a big bottle of Campari and something like that. And, mommy said, I was so worried about you, I pray. I said, Mommy, you worried about me in a Jamaica? She said, yes. I said, why? She says, no, see how Jamaica stay right now. But me I laugh, cause me I say, boy, mommy, me a mad somebody just like my people them down there, if not madder. You know what I mean? So, but a parent's worries is never over. You know what I mean? And you would think, okay, them reach 18, 19, 20, start the grown people age now. That would be the age where you would say your worries are less. For those of you who are parents, you know this. And for those of you who are older than me, I'm just finding this out. A 6 me have. And my worries are just beginning, because one of mine's done turn adult already. Another 2 is on the way to adulthood. They're 17 now and 16, close enough. So what that tells me is once they get older and they go off into the world, that's when your worries begin, because you can no longer say you must be home by 4 p.m. You must call at this time even if I'm not home. Touch base to let me know you're okay. You must FaceTime me this time and that. When them grown and gone out into the world, my friend, them call you when them feel like it. And guess what? You can't do nothing about it. They come see you when they feel like it. And guess what? You can't do nothing about it. So the worries of a parent is like a lifelong worry and a lifelong responsibility of guidance and guiding and being there to guide. My condolences to the people who lost a good father. And today when we're celebrating Father's Day, the mafia said R.I.P. Daddy, because boy, being a stand-up father myself, I know enough time to feel like run. Me not like responsibility get rough. Enough time. Me feel like run more time. Sometimes I sit down and I say to myself, yo, the man them will run away from all this. I can't see why them run. I don't condone it, because real man stand up. You understand? Real warriors stand in battle and fight. But I can't see why them run. Because boy, if you feel really take on the charge of this responsibility of being a father, and then have multiple children like I do who have 6. Right now, I'm happy. I'm blessed. Truly blessed. I say thank you to the Most High Almighty Creator. I have 3 of them in the backyard right now in the swimming pool swimming. I have another one watching over them. That's 4. I have 2 in our next room over there. So they chilling together. One upon him computer, the schoolwork, and the other one is watching some cartoon, something on TV, even though he's 17 years old. So I know where all of mine them there. And all of them are healthy and all of them are strong. And all of them came into my office this morning, come sing Happy Father's Day and give me my big bag of gifts, and that's all that matters to me, right? But not stretch out the video too long. It is a Happy Father's Day video, and I feel good and I feel like celebrating because I am doing my job. I know that some boy can't celebrate because you're not doing your job. You know what I mean? You were out last night popping bottles with the homies. You were looking at stray bitches, or that's what y'all call them. We say women regardless, but stray women. And you are concerned about other things more than you're concerned about your children. And today is Father's Day and you want to be celebrated, but not even your children are celebrating you. That's sad. That's sad. Let me tell every real father this. They might not give you your accolades. I'm talking about woman and the rest of the world. They might not run in with gifts and presents. They might not tell you every now and then or ever how good you are or how thankful they are to have you and how thankful they are for how you protect and provide and all that. But just know, say, you are the backbone. Just know, say, you are instrumental. Just know, say, your powers is what's making things work. And from you know that, the next best thing is that your children know that. Once your children know and your children honor you and respect you, that's all you can ask for. Nothing else. Me not too worried about woman. I don't care. A woman can always, I've always said this even before I started having children. When I started making children with women, me can't have children because me am a woman. Right? So big up to the woman who have had children. What kind of your idea this? I've always said that a woman can leave and she can go find a new man. She could even have children with new men, right? That's why some women have 14, pick the 13 baby daddy. Right. For them business that. I'm just saying. But your children will always be yours. A woman could be yours for a certain period of time and then that time expires. On a divorce or going to separate ways, whatever the case may be, break up. But your children is your children for life. See? So that responsibility right there. Couple of things I want to talk about on this video still in the meantime, like jacket, DNA. I just read a story while I was down in Jamaica, one story bus, right? And the story was about some professional football player whose wife has a bag of kids that he all thought all was his, and not one of the picking of them is his. Another one out of Jamaica today. The man have 3 children and something happened where he said, yo, let me go check and see. So somebody urged him to do a DNA test. I don't know if it was his mom. And the first child he tested, that's the child them said, that child don't really look like you, you know. Yeah, that's a jacket, but it don't fit. So he went secretly and did a DNA test and found out it wasn't his child. So he said, let me test the other 2. He went and tested the other 2 and found out they weren't his children either. So I don't know if you know what it feels like to be married to somebody for years and you have 3 children and you beat your chest and you're bossy, you're a proud father, you're doing all the work. Sometimes you have to go pick up double shift, extra time, work 2 jobs, all these things, sacrifice, can't go out, nothing, because you have to make sure that your babies are okay and your household is okay. This woman who gave you your children, she's okay and treated like a queen. All along is a big dirty whore you're there with because she a frig behind the back and giving you babies and her and side man over there kid teeth laughing at you, watching you struggle to financially support his 3 children. That's wickedness, right? So I'm encouraging today every man out there, although you beat up your chest and say, yes, me a daddy and I'm a strong one, go get a DNA. Go get the DNA. Matter of fact, moving into 2025 and beyond, 2024, I believe that DNA testing should be done at birth for every child that is born in every country across the world. It would save a lot of time and it would save a lot of pain. There are guys who have done 18 years of child support only to find out when that child reached 19 and 20 that that wasn't your child. And guess what? In the law, there is no recourse for that guy. Him can get back 18 years accumulated of monthly, weekly, daily finances he has put in over the years. So that's kind of wicked, right? So we got to get rid of that. So I'm encouraging you brothers right now, make sure you get a DNA so you know, say, them picnic there that you're beating up your chest about, telling everybody, yeah man, I have 3 boy and 4 girl picnic, you know, yeah. But man trong, man back trong. You make sure you know they're yours for real. Another thing is, shout out to the stepfathers them out there. Yo, when I was in Jamaica just now, I met a lot of British people. And I don't know, but it kind of bring out my British accent too, you know. So I feel like talking like this, but just work with me still. See? So they was like, yo, SouFlo, what you doing here? It's so good to meet you in person finally. I'm like, what you doing? You coming in or you going out? They're like, why if you're not coming in there? They're like, yeah, man, you know, I'm just getting here, you know. What you doing? I say, yeah, I'm just getting here too. Bam, bam, bam. And we talk and talk. I met them in Montego Bay. I meet them in Westmoreland. I met them in Clarendon. I met them at the airport. I met them. So a whole heap of British people down there keeping their ties between Jamaica and the UK. Yeah, big up to them for that. Back to this now. Stepfather. I'm going to say this. It's Father's Day. And again, big up the real father them, cause today are your day. No waste man around here. Not deadbeat round here. We not recognize you. You can't be part of this. Go so. Alright, stepfathers. You see, if you was one of the stepfather them when I touch up your little stepdaughter or not watching her with lusty eyes and all these things. You see, if you was one of the stepfather them that actually respect the woman that you're with and you actually treat the children them that she had before you as your own children equally to the children them that you are giving her, then you deserve utmost respect, and today is your day as well. Somebody had to do it. Somebody had to step up and do it, and I'm gonna give you an extra crown because that's something I would never do. It's in my books. Never ever in life. Never ever in life. No man can climb on my back. That's a one, right? Never in life me not climb on no boy. That's a one. We no deal with two, straight one. And never, ever will I ever be with a woman who has children with some other man already. It's dangerous. It's just something that I just wouldn't do. Too many fandangles in it. But the men them that do it, you actually show me that you are a step above the rest. So shout out to you, man. Today is your day too. Now, single mothers, I said this before, I'll say it again. I noticed that y'all always do this. It's Happy Father's Day to me too, because the daddy them run gone left me and me alone play mother and father. No, it's not your day. It's not, and it could never be your day. You could be a single mother, and you could be a single mother that work extra hard and overtime and double job and all that, but you could never be a father, right? And I've also learned now as a grown man that a lot of you single moms, you deserve to be single. Yeah, because you're not right here, so. And you are the one that frigged up your relationship with the dads and sacrifice, fuck up your children and messed up your children's life. So now they have an unstable setting where they have to deal with you and your emotional and overly emotional self, single mother self. So then you come and you cry victim as if somebody made you a victim. A lot of you, not all of you, but a lot of you. You in the position you in as a single mother because that's exactly where you wanted to be. And now that you see that it's not so good, that's all where you're dead, right? So single mom, it's not your day. We shout you out when it's Mother's Day, and Mother's Day is not today. So big up to them. And big up to all of the real father them, the real daddy them. That's how we are going to end the video, you know. And again, I'm going to let you know that later on today, this evening, we're going live. And we're going live tomorrow morning again. The live this evening, it will be a test run. Because when we were in Jamaica, we tried to go live. And then halfway through, well, about 5 minutes into the live, the sound would cut off. And I was like, what is this? Right? So now that we're back in our space, we have to like fix up everything and make sure so we're ready for our morning shows when we go live in the mornings. But we're gonna start by doing one tonight, and if it runs okay, the sound doesn't cut out or nothing, then we're gonna just run with the live there. And the live there is gonna be an extended live, all things goes, free for everybody that watches SouFLoTV. I'm not gonna do the exclusive until tomorrow morning, where it'll be green names exclusively in the chat box. Come out today. Talk your opinions. Keep it respectful. Don't be disrespecting me. I don't know why some people feel like so because me nice and I'm well mannerable and yes mom and yes sir and alright my G and respect my done and all these things that you feel like you can just say anything you want to say to me. Remember, you know, my raised in America, you know. Yeah, somewhere, you know, but remember, say, man, I still Jamaican, you know. So no weak fence no over here, you know. We kind of saucy and peppery when we're ready, you know. And the mouth now have no filter neither when we're ready, you know. So keep the disrespect to a limit. You saw me I said then it will force me to just not be disrespectful to you too. Alright? With that said, again, we're gonna leave it right there. So for now, this is the video you should have said Happy Father's Day under, not the video I put up this morning. I put up a video this morning, and the video we put up this morning was about euthanasia. Euthanasia is, or euthanization is about you basically killing yourself. Cause say you have cancer or something and then the cancer take a toll on you, like a lady who had cancer and then she start lose her bowels and can't hold in her pee, so she have to wear diaper and then her, you know, she lose weight rapidly and then she's in pain and things. She end up euthanizing herself or getting euthanized on a beach in a far out country, I think New Zealand or something. That video I put up this morning, it was basically asking you if you would choose euthanasia over just suffering until it's time for you to actually really die from whatever it is you're sick with. Everybody under there say, Happy Father's Day, SouFlo, Happy Father's Day, SouFlo, which prompted me to do this video and talk about the father them and the importance of a father standing in your responsibility and being a real father. This is not a joke thing, right? Fathering is not no joke thing. Daddy, I don't know, joke thing. It is a serious thing and it comes with heavy responsibility. Heavy is the crown of a king, but we wear it well. Big up on yourself, man. See you in a few hours when we go live today, and it's all about Vybz Kartel and what is going on. Big up Sean Storm as well, and the rest of the man them, Andre St. John, Kahir Jones, and I don't know how it go. Catch you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.